We're doing accounting of partnership, the basic concepts that is related to partnership. When I am talking about partnership, what is partnership? What is partnership?
Ma'am, partnership is when there is when two or more people come together, form a business.
More people are coming together into the business, and you should know that the partnership is regulated by the Indian Partnership Act 1932. Okay, two people coming together into the business to share the profits and losses of the business. Are you with me? When these
Yes, miss.
are coming in the business, there are certain terms and conditions that these people agree on. There are certain terms and conditions that these people agree on. And if they decide and come up to certain terms and conditions, those terms and conditions are mentioned in a document which is called a partnership deed. I am telling this because when you are going to be tested for your MCQs, you need to have a thorough knowledge of these topics. So, what is a partnership deed? A partnership deed is basically a document that tells us what are the terms and conditions that has been agreed upon by the partners. Same, it will have the rights of the partners, the duties of the partners. So it acts as a proof when there is any disputes between the partners. Say for example, Arya, Zaidan and Bakir are partners. They agree to come in together for a specific business. Okay, and that business is partnership. Just give me a minute.
Yes, miss.
So the terms and conditions related to the partnership should be mentioned in a document which is called the partnership deed. So your partnership deed should tell in how much should be the capital of every partner. So when I am talking how much should be the capital of every partner, that means they should decide beforehand. Say I tell Arya I should get 100,000. Zaidan should get 100,000 and Pakir will get 200,000. Okay. So the money that the partners introduce into the business, it is called the capital. And the capital that every partner should get should be agreed beforehand. Are you with me?
Yes, miss.
If the partners want to withdraw some money from the business, that withdrawal is called drawings. So if there is any drawings that the partners want to do, they should tell beforehand. Now Bakir will say that I am bringing 200,000 as capital. So I should get rewarded. Should he get rewarded or he should not get rewarded?
Miss, is the screen on?
Yeah, the screen is on.
I can't see the screen.
Leave the
Miss,
meeting.
I'll leave and leave.
So if Bakir tells me that I want some interest on the money that I have put in. So is it okay?
No.
Please answer. If Bakir tells us that he has put in 400,000 and he wants money for the extra money that he has put in, so is that okay?
No, it's not, miss.
See, if all the partners agree, I'm repeating again, if all the partners agree, then interest on capital could be allowed. Can you tell me what is interest on capital?
The extra money which you get from your capital.
Okay. So say A has put 1 lakh, Z has put 1 lakh, and Bakir has put 2 lakh. And all the partners agree that because we are investing some money into the business, we should receive some interest every year. And they agree for 10%. So every year, A will get 10,000. 10%, how do you calculate? You just remove 1 0 from the end. A will get 10,000, Z will get 10,000, and B will get 20,000. Interest on capital. So the money that you invest, you can get interest. But what I'm trying to tell you over here is that all this agreement should happen beforehand. And where is this agreement written? The agreement between the partners is written in a document. What is the name of that document?
Partnership deed.
Partnership deed. So in the partnership deed, you write everything that is agreed upon. What is the capital? What is the interest on capital? How much money can we withdraw for personal use? If we are withdrawing any money, are we supposed to pay any interest? So that is called interest on drawings. So if we are withdrawing any money, are we supposed to pay any interest? What will be the PSR? Can you tell me what is PSR? Good morning, Zedan. What is PSR? Profit sharing ratio. What is PSR? Profit sharing ratio. So all these things should be decided beforehand and be documented in a document. What is the name of that document? The terms and conditions between the partners needs to be decided beforehand and put into one document. Can you tell me the name of the document? I'm
Partnership deed.
expecting answer. Yeah, partnership deed. So what is a partnership deed?
It's a proof.
It's a document. Which document?
It's a legal document. It shows which partner will get what amount.
It shows the terms and conditions. Which terms and conditions?
Profit sharing and
That is
how
decided.
much.
Interest on capital. Yeah.
What could be like the amount of capital, interest on capital. What else could be the conditions? Interest on drawings. Some partner would also demand that because I'm a working partner, I want salary. Okay, I put in more effort, so I want salary. So even that can be discussed. Salary to partners can be discussed. Commission given to partners can be discussed. The profit sharing ratio can be discussed. And all these terms and conditions will be in a document, and the name of that document is partnership deed. Are you with me and clear? Are you with
Yes,
me and clear?
Yes, ma'am.
But say Arya and Zaidan are best friends. Okay, just for an example, they are very good friends. They trust each other blindly. They have blind faith on each other and they do not make a partnership deal. This is not there. They just meet one fine morning at Starbucks and they decide that they are starting a business. And Arya says yes, Dedan says yes, and they start the business, but they do not make a legal document. Neither they speak orally about it or verbally about it, and the partnership deed is not there. So I would say, in the absence of partnership deed, what will I say? In the absence of partnership deed. Can you tell me what will happen if there is no partnership deed? They just meet and start. So if there is no partnership deed, then everything that happens in the partnership will be as per the Partnership Act. Everything that happens in the partnership will be as per the Partnership Act 1932. Are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
And this Partnership Act 1932 tells us, what does it tell us? Okay, it tells us that if there is no agreement between the partners, there is nothing that is discussed between the partners. In that case, profit sharing ratio, what in that case, profit sharing ratio is equal. If there is no partnership deed, so in that case, profit sharing ratio is what? Equal. First thing. Second thing they tell that there will be equal capital. Profit sharing ratio equal, equal capital, everything else not allowed. Everything else not allowed. What do I mean by this everything else? No interest on capital, no salary, no commission, no bonus, no interest on drawings, nothing. If no agreement, only a profit sharing ratio is equal, and what else? Capital is equal. Everything else is disallowed. Only one thing has to be given, irrespective of the fact that there is an agreement or not. That is interest on loan. If the partner gives loan to company, then interest on loan will be allowed at 6% per annum. Are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Let's pass paper questions. And in this past paper questions, we are doing things that is related to past papers. I will not take you to the specimen questions. I will take you to the easier ones so that your concept is drilled. Look at this question and give the answer option A, B, C, or D. Yeah,
B.
B. Profit share and capital ratio. Profit share will be how?
Equally.
It will be equal. So option A wipes off, option D wipes off. If there is no agreement, will you give commission?
No, we won't.
Nothing is allowed. No agreement, nothing allowed. Profit equally, capital equally. So this option also wipes off. So this option also wipes off. Only three is the available option for us. Will you give interest on loan?
Yes.
The most important thing, whether there is agreement or not. I'm repeating again, agreement or not. If the partner is giving loan to the company, 6% interest on loan has to be given. Arya, show me your full face. So the answer is option C. Are you with me? Are you
Yes,
with me?
miss.
Let's go to the next one. Now, this is a very tricky question and it is based on your theory. And this part of theory, I did not do it. So I'm putting it for your knowledge. Your partnership deed should be properly drafted and prepared as per the provisions of the Stamp Act. This is a theory question you should know. Your deed should be drafted and prepared as per the Stamp Act, and it should be registered with the Registrar of Firms, ROF. It is a theory question purely based on your theoretical knowledge. So that is why I have given the answer. The answer is option D. Come on. Do this question. I'm giving you time.
B, the last one.
Yeah. Zedan is telling in the absence of partnership deed, no deed. So the interest on capital is at what rate?
Well, I think
Last
it's
option. Last option.
Last option, no deed, nothing given. Only same capital, same PSR. The answer is option D. Very good, Zedan. Okay, come on. This is a theoretical question that again came in the 2019 paper. Rights of a partner in the partnership firm when he joins. As per your basic knowledge, when a person joins a partnership firm, he has rights. His main right is to have a share in profits. This is his main right. If you are a partner of a partnership firm, you have a right for share in profits. Are you with me?
Yes, miss.
Let's. I'm taking the sums that are related to your knowledge. Let's go to the first question in itself. Read the question. Give me an answer.